Hi everyone. Today we are reading chapter 5 Minerals and Energy Resources from NCERT Class 12 Geography. Line by line reading is crucial for exams like UPSC, KVS or NVS, EMRS. I suggest you open your textbook and follow along as I read. This read along method will help you stay focused and memorize the data much better. Let's start. India is endowed with a rich variety of mineral resources due to its varied geological structure. Bulk of valuable minerals are products of pre-Paleozoic age. Fundamentals of physical geography and are mainly associated with metamorphic and igneous rocks of the peninsular India. The vast alluvial plain tract of North India is devoid of minerals of economic use. The mineral resources provide the country with the necessary base for industrial development. In this chapter, we shall discuss the availability of various types of mineral and energy resources in the country. A mineral is a natural substance or of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. Next, types of mineral resources. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals may be grouped under two main categories of metallics and non-metallics, which may further be classified as follows. Metallic minerals are classified under two categories, that is ferrous. Example of ferrous category is iron, manganese, etc. And non-ferrous, example of non-ferrous metallic mineral is copper, bauxite, etc. On the other hand, non-metallic minerals are of two types, like fuel minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. and other non-metallics like mica, limestone, graphite, etc. As it is clear from the figure, metallic minerals are the source of metals. Iron ore, copper, gold produce metal and are included in this category. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous metallic minerals. Ferrous, as you know, refers to iron. All those minerals which have iron content are ferrous, such as iron ore itself, and those which do not have iron content are non-ferrous, such as copper, bauxite, etc. Non-metallic minerals are either organic in origin, such as fossil fuels, also known as mineral fuels, which are derived from the buried animal, and plant life such as coal and petroleum. Other type of non-metallic minerals are inorganic in origin such as mica, limestone and graphite, etc. Minerals have certain characteristics. These are unevenly distributed over space. There is inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals. Good quality minerals are less in quantity as compared to low quality minerals. The third main characteristic is that all minerals are exhaustible over time. These take long to develop geologically and they cannot be replenished immediately at the time of need. Thus, they have to be conserved and not misused as they do not have the second crop. Next point is distribution of minerals in India. Most of the metallic minerals in India occur in the peninsular plateau region in the old crystalline rocks. Over 97% of the coal reserves occur in the valleys of Damodar, Son, Mahanadi and Godavari. Petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basins of Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai High, that is offshore region in the Arabian Sea. New reserves have been located in the Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basins. Most of the major mineral resources occur to the east of a line linking Mangaluru and Kanpur. Minerals are generally concentrated in three broad belts in India. There may be some sporadic occurrences here and there in isolated pockets. These belts are the northeastern plateau region. The belt covers Chota Nagpur, that is Jharkhand and Odisha plateau, West Bengal and parts of Chhattisgarh. Have you ever thought about the reasons of major iron and steel industry being located in this region? It has variety of minerals, that is iron ore, coal, manganese, bauxite and mica. Next point is southwest plateau region. The belt extends over Karnataka, Goa and contiguous Tamil Nadu uplands and Kerala. This belt is rich in ferrous metals and bauxite. It also contains high-grade iron ore, manganese and limestone. This belt lacks in coal deposits except navally lignite. This belt does not have as diversified mineral deposits as the northeastern belt. Kerala has deposits of monazite and thorium, bauxite clay. Goa has iron ore deposits. Next point is northwestern region. This belt extends along the Aravalli in Rajasthan and part of Gujarat, and minerals are associated with Dharwad system of rocks. Copper, zinc have been major minerals. Rajasthan is rich in building stones like sandstone, granite, marble. Gypsum and fuller's earth deposits are also extensive. Dolomite and limestone provide raw materials for cement industry. Gujarat is known for its petroleum deposits. You may be knowing that Gujarat and Rajasthan both have rich sources of salt. The Himalayan belt is another mineral belt where copper, lead and zinc, cobalt and tungsten are known to occur. They occur on both the eastern and western parts. Assam Valley has mineral oil deposits. Besides, oil resources are also found in offshore areas near Mumbai coast, that is Mumbai High. In the following pages, you will find the spatial pattern of some of the important minerals. Next is ferrous mineral. Ferrous minerals such as iron ore, manganese, chromite provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. Our country is well placed in respect of ferrous minerals both in reserves and production. First is iron ore. India is endowed with fairly abundant resources of iron ore. It has the largest reserves of iron ore in Asia. The two main types of ore found in our country are hematite and magnetite. It has great demand in the international market due to its superior quality. The iron ore mines occur in close proximity to the coal fields in the northeastern plateau region of the country, which adds to their advantages. About 95% of the total reserves of iron ore is located in the states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. In Odisha, iron ore occurs in a series of hill ranges in Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj and Jhar. The important mines are Guru Mohisani, Sulaipet, Badam Pahar in Mayurbhanj district, Kiriburu in Kendujhar district and Bonai in Sundargarh district. Similar hill ranges, Jharkhand has some of the oldest iron ore mines and most of the iron and steel plants are located around them. Most of the important mines such as Nuamundi and Goa are located in Purbi and Paschimi Singhbhum districts. This belt further extends to Durg, Dantewara and Bailadila. Dalli and Rajhara in Durg are the important mines of iron ore in the country. In Karnataka, iron ore deposits occur in Sandur Hospet area of Ballari district, Baba Budan Hills and Kudremukh in Chikmagalur district and parts of Shivamogga, Chitradurg and Tumakuru districts. The districts of Chandrapur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, Karimnagar and Warangal districts of Telangana, Kurnool, Kodappa and Anantapur districts of Andhra Pradesh, Salem and Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu are other iron mining regions. Goa has also emerged as an important producer of iron ore. Next is manganese. Manganese is an important raw material for smelting of iron ore and also used for manufacturing ferroalloys. Manganese deposits are found in almost all geological formations. However, it is mainly associated with Dharwad system. Odisha is the leading producer of manganese. Major mines in Odisha are located in the central part of the iron ore belt of India, particularly in Bonai, Kendujhar, Sundargarh, Gangpur, Koraput, Kalahandi and Bolangir. Karnataka is another major producer and here mines are located in Dharwad, Ballari, Belagavi, North Kannada, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Chitradurg and Tumakuru. Maharashtra is also an important producer of manganese which is mined in Nagpur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri districts. The disadvantage to these mines is that they are located far from steel plants. The manganese belt of Madhya Pradesh extends in a belt in Balaghat, Chhindwara, Nimar, Mandala and Jhabua districts. Telangana, Goa and Jharkhand are other minor producers of manganese. Next is non-ferrous minerals. India is poorly endowed with non-ferrous metallic minerals except bauxite. Next point is bauxite. Bauxite is the ore which is used in manufacturing of aluminium. Bauxite is found mainly in tertiary deposits and is associated with laterite rocks occurring extensively either on the plateau or hill ranges of peninsular India and also in the coastal tracts of the country. Odisha happens to be the largest producer of bauxite. Kalahandi and Sambhalpur are the leading producers. The other two areas which have been increasing their production are Bolangir and Koraput. The patlands of Lohardaga in Jharkhand have rich deposits. Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra are other major producers. Bhavnagar and Jamnagar in Gujarat have the major deposits. Chhattisgarh has bauxite deposits in Amarkantak Plateau, while Patni, Jabalpur area and Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh have important deposits of bauxite. Kolaba, Thane, Ratnagiri, Satara, Pune and Kolhapur in Maharashtra are important producers. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Goa are minor producers of bauxite. Next point is copper. Copper is an indispensable metal in the electrical industry for making wires, electric motors, transformers and generators. It is alloyable, malleable and ductile. It is also mixed with gold to provide strength to jewelry. The copper deposits mainly occur in Singhbhum districts in Jharkhand, Balaghat districts of Madhya Pradesh and Jhunjhunu and Alwar districts in Rajasthan. Minor producers of copper are Ognigundala in Guntur districts Andhra Pradesh, Chitradurg and Hassan districts in Karnataka and South Arcot districts in Tamil Nadu. Next point is non-metallic minerals. Among the non-metallic minerals produced in India, mica is most important one. The other minerals extracted for local consumptions are limestone, dolomite and phosphate. Next point is mica. Mica is mainly used in electrical and electronic industries. It can be split into very thin sheets which are tough and flexible. Mica in India is produced in Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Rajasthan, followed by Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. In Jharkhand, high quality mica is obtained in a belt extending over a distance of about 150 km in length and about 22 km in width in lower Hazaribagh Plateau. In Andhra Pradesh, Nellore district produces the best quality mica. In Rajasthan, mica belt extends for about 320 kilometers from Jaipur to Bhilwara and around Udaipur. Mica deposits also occur in Mysuru and Hassan districts of Karnataka, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai and Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Aleppi in Kerala, Ratnagiri in Maharashtra and Purulia and Bankura in West Bengal. Next point is energy resources. Mineral fuels are essential for generation of power required by agriculture, industry, transport and other sectors of the economy. Mineral fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas, known as fossil fuels, nuclear energy minerals are the conventional sources of energy. These conventional sources are exhaustible resources. Just wait a minute. Coal is one of the important minerals which is mainly used in the generation of thermal power and smelting of iron ore. Coal occurs in rock sequences mainly of two geological ages, namely Gondwana and Tertiary deposits. About 80% of the coal deposits in India is of bituminous type and is of non-coking grade. The most important Gondwana coal fields of India are located in Damodar Valley. They lie in Jharkhand, Bengal coal belt, and the important coal fields in this region are Raniganj, Jhoria, Bokaro, Giridh, Karanpura. Jhoria is the largest coal field followed by Raniganj. The other river valleys associated with coal are Godavari, Mahanadi and Son. The most important coal mining centers are Singaroli in Madhya Pradesh. Part of Singaroli coalfield lies in Uttar Pradesh also. Korba in Chhattisgarh, Talcher and Rampur in Odisha. Chanda, Warda, Kamptee and Bander in Maharashtra, and Singareni in Telangana and Pandur in Andhra Pradesh. Tertiary coals occur in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and Nagaland. It is extracted from Dharangiri, Cherrapunji, Melong and Langring in Meghalaya. Makum, Jaipur, Nazira in Upper Assam, Namchik, Namphuk in Arunachal Pradesh and Kalakot in Jammu Kashmir. Besides the brown coal or lignite occur in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Next point is petroleum. Crude petroleum consists of hydrocarbons of liquid and gaseous states varying in chemical composition, color and specific gravity. It is essential source of energy for all internal combustion engines in automobiles, railways and aircrafts. Its numerous byproducts are processed in petrochemical industries such as fertilizer, synthetic rubber, synthetic fiber, medicines, Vaseline, lubricants, wax, soap and cosmetics. Petroleum is referred to as liquid gold because of its scarcity and diversified uses. Crude petroleum occurs in sedimentary and tertiary period. Oil exploration and production was systematically taken up after the Oil and Natural Gas Commission was set up in 1956. Till then, Digboi in Assam was the only oil producing region, but the scenario changed after 1956. In recent years, new oil deposits have been found in extreme western and eastern parts of the country. In Assam, Digboi, Naharkatia and Moran are important oil producing areas. The major oil fields of Gujarat are Ankleshwar, Kalol, Mehsana, Nawagam, Kosamba and Lunej. Mumbai High, which lies 160 km off Mumbai, was discovered in 1973 and production commenced in 1970. Mumbai was discovered in 1973 and production commenced in 1976. Oil and natural gas have been found in exploration wells in Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basin on the east coast. Oil extracted from the wells is crude oil and contains many impurities. It cannot be used directly, it needs to be refined. There are two types of refineries in India, field-based and market-based. Digboi is an example of field-based and Barauni is an example of market-based refinery. Next point is natural gas. Just wait for a second. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when the crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as fuel in power sector to generate electricity, for heating purpose in industries and as raw material in chemical, petrochemical and fertilizer industries. With the expansion of gas infrastructure and local city gas distribution networks, natural gas is also emerging as a preferred transport fuel and cooking fuel. at homes. India's major gas reserves are found in Mumbai High and allied fields along the west coast, which are supplemented by finds in the Cambay Basin. Along the east coast, new reserves of natural gas have been discovered in the Krishna Godavari Basin. Non-conventional energy sources. Fossil fuel sources such as coal, petroleum, natural gas and nuclear energy use exhaustible raw materials. Sustainable energy resources are only the renewable energy sources like solar, wind, hydrogeothermal and biomass. These energy sources are more equitably distributed and environment friendly. The non-conventional sources will provide more sustained, eco-friendly and cheaper energy after the initial cost is taken care of. Nuclear energy resources. Nuclear energy has emerged as a viable sources in recent times. Important minerals used for generation of nuclear energy are uranium and thorium. Uranium deposits occur in the Dharwar rocks. Geographically, uranium ores are known to occur in several locations along the Singhbhum copper belt. It is also found in Udaipur, Alwar and Jhunjhunu districts of Rajasthan, Durg districts of Chhattisgarh, Bhandara districts of Maharashtra and Kullu districts of Himachal Pradesh. Thorium is mainly obtained from monazite and ilmenite in the beach sands along the coast of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. World's richest monazite deposits occur in Palakkad and Kollam districts of Kerala, near Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh and Mahanadi River Delta in Odisha. Atomic Energy Commission was established in 1948. Progress to be made only after the establishment of Atomic Energy Institute at Trombay in 1954, which was renamed as Bhabha Atomic Research Center in 1967. The important nuclear power projects are in Tarapur, Maharashtra, Ravanbhata in near Kota, Rajasthan, Kalapakkam in Tamil Nadu, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Koiga in Karnataka and Kankrapara in Gujarat. Next point is solar energy. Sun rays tapped in photovoltaic cells. Sun rays tapped in photovoltaic cells can be converted into energy known as solar energy. The two effective processes considered to be very effective to tap solar energy are photovoltaics and solar thermal technology. Solar thermal technology has some relative advantages over all the non-renewable energy sources. It is cost competitive, environment friendly and easy to construct. Solar energy is 7% more effective than coal or oil based plants and 10% more effective than nuclear plants. It is generally used more in appliances like heaters, crop dryers, cookers. The western part of India has greater potential for development of solar energy in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next point is wind energy. Wind energy is absolutely pollution free. Inexhaustible source of energy. The mechanism of energy conversion from blowing wind is simple. The kinetic energy of wind through turbines is converted into electrical energy. The permanent wind systems such as trade winds, westerlies and seasonal winds like monsoon have been used as a source of energy. Besides this, local winds, land and sea breezes can also be used to produce electricity. India already has started generating wind energy. In Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka, favorable conditions for wind energy exists. Next point is tidal and wave energy. Ocean currents are the storehouse of infinite energy. Since the beginning of 17th and 18th century, persistent efforts were made to create more efficient energy system from the ceaseless tidal waves and ocean current. Large tidal waves are known to occur along the west coast of India. Hence, India has great potential for the development of tidal energy along the coast, but so far these have not yet been utilized. Next point is geothermal energy. When the magma from the interior of the earth comes out on the surface, tremendous heat is released. This heat energy can successfully be tapped and converted to electrical energy. Apart from this, the hot water that gushes out through the geyser wells is also used in the generation of thermal energy. It is popularly known as geothermal energy. This energy is now considered to be one of the key energy sources which can be developed as an alternate source. The hot springs and geysers are being used since medieval period. In India, a geothermal energy plant has been commissioned at Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh. The first successful in 1890 attempt in 1890, the first successful attempt to tap underground heat was made in the city of Boise, Idaho in USA, where a hot water pipe network was built to give heat to the surrounding buildings. This plant is still working. Next point is bioenergy. Bioenergy refers to energy derived from biological products, which includes agricultural residues, municipal, industrial and other wastes. Bioenergy is potential source of energy conversion. It can be converted into electrical energy, heat energy or gas for cooking. It will also process the waste and garbage and produce energy. This will improve economic life of rural areas in developing countries, reduce environmental pollution, enhance self-reliance and reduce pressure on fuel wood. One such project converting municipal waste into energy is Okhla in Delhi. Conservation of mineral resources. The challenge of sustainable development requires integration of waste for economic development with environmental concerns. Traditional methods of resource use result into generating enormous quantity of waste as well as create other environmental problems. Hence, for sustainable development calls for the protection of resources for the future generations. There is an urgent need to conserve the resources. The alternative energy sources like solar power, wind, wave, geothermal energy are inexhaustible resource. This should be developed to replace the exhaustible resources. In case of metallic minerals, use of scrap metals will enable recycling of metals. Use of scrap is especially significant in metals like copper, lead and zinc, in which India's reserves are major. Use of substitutes for scarce metals may also reduce their consumption. Export of strategic and scarce minerals must be reduced. so that the existing reserves may be used for longer period. So friends, that's the end of the chapter 5. Re-listen to this whenever you are revising to fix these facts in your mind. If this helped you, please subscribe for more NCERT readings. Happy studying!